say that one is tamarind sauce. It's a little bit hot and spicy. That one is salad. It's always come with it. Biryani, and that's the biryani. It's a huge size. I won't finish that one for now. It's probably lunch and dinner as well. I just want to show it. It's vegetable. That one is jackfruit. It's usually the jackfruit which we'll see in Europe. It's yellow and it's fruit, but here they take off when it's white and they cook it, and that's really nice. It's almost like the meaty texture. So yeah, I just put a little bit of sauce. If you never use it, just be careful with it because it's really hot. Yeah. Bon appetit. Mm. 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 I don't really like rice food. It's not my cup of tea. But the biryani is not that case. I love it. It's absolutely every bite is uh, so flavorful. It's juicy, not dry, not a usual rice food. You need to try it, but be careful because this size is huge. You won't finish it in one sitting.